Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel Kashaestuesday. I am Kashae. Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am using templates today to make chocolate bars and I love them so much. So we're making a brown one and a pink one, and the templates I used I found on Pinterest. They will be linked down in the description, but yeah, I think they are very cute. So I will not hold you guys up any longer and we will just get right into the video. I'm using these two free chocolate templates, alcohol markers to customize it a bit, packing tape, scissors, and stuffing. So first I'm starting with the classic chocolate bar. I noticed these white areas which I wasn't sure why they weren't like pre-colored in, but now I know this is where you glue at. But I decided to color them in dark brown because I don't know y'all, I was confused. Then when that was done, I wanted to go over these black lines with dark brown, and I do like how this turned out. Then I wanted to go over the chocolate imprint with the same color, just as like an outline, but then I decided it would probably look better colored in. All of that was optional, but this was my first time using a template, so I was just kind of winging it. Then it was time to laminate my chocolate bar with some tape and cut it out. Then when I went to fold it all together, I realized those side pieces were not long enough, I guess. I'm not sure why, but because they were too small, I just cut both sides off. And then I cut off this other piece I colored in too because I wasn't sure what it was for at the time. So now this is what I'm left with. And I folded it up and connected the two sides with tape. And I brought in another sheet of paper to make new sides, just coloring it in brown, then tracing the sides very lightly to get my shape, laminating it and cutting it out. And of course I made two of these for both sides. And then I taped one side down and I think it blended in pretty nicely. And before closing off the chocolate fully, I stuffed it. And here we are all done with our brown chocolate bar. I think it is really cute, really fun. It is extremely thick. Like, I wouldn't make a chocolate bar this thick. Like, this is kind of crazy. I mean, maybe it's supposed to be over exaggerated. I didn't love that the side flaps just like did not fit and I had to make my own. I mean, like I said, maybe that was like user error. I'm not sure. Overall, I like it. So now to start the pink chocolate template, I decided to color in the white parts on the side because even though the chocolate didn't work out, I wasn't sure if the pink was a different size or something. Then after, I went ahead and laminated it with tape and cut it out very carefully because I didn't want to ruin the outline. And I did cut off this long white strip because I didn't know what it was for at the time. Now that it's all cut out, I'm just bending and folding it before I tape. And again, the sides are just way too small. I have no idea why this is or if I did something wrong, but I did go ahead and cut them off and now I'm left with no sides. So I connected it together and brought in some paper, just repeating the same steps for the brown chocolate bar. And again, I made two of these for both sides. I taped one side down and it blends in so nicely, you almost can't even tell that I made this. Before closing the whole thing, I went ahead and stuffed our pink chocolate bar and then finally tape it closed. And here we have our pink chocolate bar all done. I really like this one. I like this one more than the brown one, I think, just because my favorite color is pink probably, but I also really do like all of the detail on the chocolate imprint and stuff. I think it is really nice. Again, I did not love that the flaps just did not fit on the side and I had to make my own. I'm not sure why the flaps were like the thickness that I feel like the chocolate should be like half of this, but then like the longer sides were like double the shorter sides. I don't know. Could be user error. So yeah, same with the chocolate. I don't think I would be using this template again, but I do think this is really cute and I'm glad that I have a pink chocolate bar. And that brings us to the end of today's video where I did use templates for the first time. I'm really excited to keep this kind of series going and grow these kind of squishies in my collection. I'm not sure why today these templates kind of didn't work out where I had to like alter and do that. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but they are very cute. All in all, it was okay, but I wouldn't use these again. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!